it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga kapamilya. For today, we are going to do a reaction video for Take My Hand official music video for the Dream Maker. Ang Dream Maker ay ang pinakabagong reality talent search ng ABS-CBN kung saan nagsanib puwersa sila with Comp Korea para hanapin ang pinakabagong global pop group. Ayan, exciting ito dahil mga boys ang maglalaban-laban para makamit ang ultimate dream maker win. O, diba? Kaya naman reactan natin ang kanilang official music video. Tingnan natin sino-sino ba ang mga dream chasers ng season na ito ng Dream Maker. Kaya naman, before we proceed guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is guys, Dream Maker. Mga Korean din yung mga judge, saka may mga Pinoy mentors. Oh, Take My Hand. Directed by Lee En-ju. Wow, very uplifting agad ah. Ay, pagtaas ng kilay dahil. Charot. Wow. Oh my God! Hold on guys, ang babata ng mga to at saka very Korean. Parang he's into her yung mga outfit nila dito ha. Grabe, let's continue. Ganda ng beach. Oh, English. Ay. Oh, lahat Korean ka. Sarap. Pak, oh. Naka-makeup pa sila dito. Oh. Oh, very uplifting ang lyrics. Eh, ang galing nila sumaya. I love the footwork. My dream is so bright. Parang gwapo yung matangkad na yun ah. Parang isa pa lang yung bet ko. Sarap. Uy, yan din oh. Oh my God, hold on guys. Isa pa lang yung bet ko ha. Tapos yung kasi, ang babata ng itsura. So, siguro kailangan ng Dream Maker yung parang talagang bata pa. Tapos yung mag-i-improve, no? Yung parang mga over the years, mas gagwapo, mas magiging trained and well-versed when it comes to giving entertainment and being a pop group. Kaya siguro talaga ang babagets ng itsura ng mga ito. Happy Meal! Charot! Oh, too bad! Oh, sorry. In fairness, magagaling sa maya. Oh, good noon. Ay, oh. Uy, ayun cute! Ay. In fairness, very, good vibes. Hey. In fairness, iba ang galawan. Oh! Ang dami nila! Grabe! Ilan bang pipiliin? Ay, itong nasa gitna, iba yung aura ha? Ipagtaas ang kilay. Diba? Ang babagis. Ay, kwapo yun. Ayan din! In fairness, ang ganda rin ang vocalization. Oh! Hey! Ang natin ng steak. Kasi ang dami nila. Ang ganda ng beat ng song. Saka madaling tandaan. Oy! Oy! Ibang galawan! Oy! Grabe! Ba't ako lang kikilabutan? Eh! Oh my God! The Dream Chasers of Dream Maker! Ay! Oh, aura sa camera. Ay! Cute yun! Mr. Braces! Oh, diba? Heart, heart! There you have it, guys. That is Take My Hand official music video by Dream Maker. Grabe, ang dami palang Dream Chasers. Grabe, ilan sila, guys? At saka ilan ba ang pipiliin para mabuo ang bagong global pop group na ito? At in fairness, maraming may future. At saka ang babagets. Happy Meal, mga badets ito, guys. At talaga namang ititrain talaga simula ugly duckling, magiging ano yung mga yan. Bobongga ang mga itsura ng mga yan, guys, for sure. And of course, iba naman talaga kapag tinrain ng Korea, tapos samahan mo pa ng ABS-CBN. Of course, the stars will be aligning, and of course, aabangan natin sino-sino ba ang mga magpe-perform ng mga weekly at saka hanggang sa mabuo ang mga Dream Maker global pop group na ito. Sino ba ang mga early bet ninyo? Comment down below para naman ma-scout natin at mapanood natin ang kanilang mga performance sa mga susunod nating video. Alright, that's about our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye.